I think everyone has an origin story that matters and that's important.
I had always known I wanted to go to business school since I was probably 7 years old.
You know, I always knew I wanted to start my own company. The question was what?
Our mission is to stop climate change.
Build an impact-oriented company that made healthcare better.
Changing the plastics industry.
Advancing health equity by making mental health care radically accessible and inclusive.
To improve 1 billion lives by scaling innovations that would change the world.
I was all in.
When we are successful as an industry, we should put the human at the center.
By being part of an ecosystem of change makers who believe the world can be changed.
There is no single path.
That human impulse to make things better.
We have to radically challenge the status quo with love, compassion, and the willingness to sacrifice some of our opportunities for the betterment of the collective. That is what it means to be a servant leader, and that is what we were taught at Stanford.